Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is me, your host, Jiveria Petiwali, and I am a college student at Ranko Islamic campus of Kerala. Today's topic is what will people say by Moise Shaukat Selector. In this today's talk, what will people say? Moise Shaukat talks about a common fear many of us have, the fear of what others will think about us. He says this fear stops us from doing what we really want in life. It controls our choices and dreams and even our truth identify. Must share his own life story to explain how dangerous this fear can be. He tells us that we should stop living for others and start living for ourselves. His message is clear: don't let people's opinions decide your life. What we learned from this TEDx talk, we learned that when we always worry about what others will say, we lose our happiness and confidence. Real freedom comes when we start trusting ourselves and stop fearing people's judgment. So, viewers, this is my TEDx talk to you. I hope you like it. Pakistan Zindabad. Zindabad.